Now to the cross-country storm on the move this morning. Several reported tornadoes slamming the Midwest and many significant injuries in Indiana. A night of terrifying storms finally over for several states. ABC's Rhiannon Alley has more.
This morning, widespread damage is reported in multiple states, along with significant injuries after tornadoes tore through parts of the plains in the Midwest.
The sirens went off here in Russell's Point, and about 5 minutes later, it sounded like a freight train coming through our front room.
In central Ohio, authorities responded to a mass casualty event after a half-mile wide tornado hit the village of Lakeview, destroying a mobile home community and buildings downtown.
Our laundromat is gone. The old plastics building is just completely demolished. Downtown, it's bad. It's very bad. It's pure devastation. I have never seen anything like this in my entire life.
In Indiana, authorities said they were working to confirm reports of fatalities from a likely tornado that hit the city of Winchester, where powerful winds tore apart this large building, leaving the metal siding wrapped around trees and power lines.
We don't know the extent of the damage on the south end of town. We do know that there have been some buildings and homes that have been completely destroyed.
Elsewhere in Indiana, these images of homes damaged in Jefferson County and an image of baseball-sized hail. In neighboring Kentucky, authorities near Louisville say the storms damaged at least 50 buildings, including homes.
What do you goes through your head in a moment like that?
Hey, there ain't nothing you can do. But it's going to get you. It's going to get you.
Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.